Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I just want to show you how to use Excel to analyze the data. And the main content in this video is that I want to show you how to do simple random sampling using Excel. I mean how to draw with some sample randomly from the population. And to do that, firstly I want you to open Excel file, the data file, by click on file and then open, and then choose computer and then browse, and then you just go to where you save the file. I put it in D drive, so I go to this Excel and open this file. So you can download this file from my site. Watch the first video so you can know where's the link to download this file. And now I want to show you how to make a sample, how to draw with a sample, how to take a sample randomly from the population. For example, if the population has 34 values, for example, for for forestry data first. So here's the forestry data, the first spreadsheet. And you know that we have diameter data like here, so we have 35 values. Now I want you to draw with I want to draw some values to make a sample, but randomly. How to do that? For example, I want to take 9 values from these 35 values. So how to do that? So just go to data and then to data analysis, and then choose sampling and hit OK. And after that, yeah, in input range I want you to to select the data area like that. Okay, and then you click on label, because you select the label, the title, column title, and then choose random, and then you have to enter the number of values you want to take from the population. For example, 9 values. So, and after that I want you to choose output range, and I want you to choose any cell you want to put the output, for example here. So okay, and then you can see you got the 9 values randomly from from 35 values here. Okay, and because it's random, so if you repeat the command like data and data analysis and sampling and hit OK and OK, so you see here output will be different, because it's random. So 2 times we take the values, so they are different. And now I want to move on agriculture. So if you want to take, for example, 5 values from this, so you can go to data and data analysis and sampling. Okay, so and then you can select all area like that. Okay, and then text label, and then choose random, and then type the number of value you want to take from the population, and choose where you want to put the results. For example, I want to put it here. Okay, so you see you can have 9 value randomly from these values. Now environmental data, and it's very simple and it's very similar. Data analysis, and then sampling, and hit OK, and choose where you want, for example this. Okay, so we have 32 values, and then to maybe 11, and then click on output range, and then choose any cell you want to put the output, and OK. So you got 11 values here. And economics, so you just click on data and data analysis and sampling. Okay, so you can choose, for example, here is the income per year, and then choose label because I select the title also, and random, and choose 14 for example, and click on output range, and then choose any cell you want to put the results. Okay, so automatically you can get 14 values randomly from the population from here. Okay, so that's all. That is the way to make the simple random sampling methods. How to take the sample randomly from the populations. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much, and please click on subscribe or like or share or give me some comments if you want to know when we use this method and for what. You can discuss me more. Give me some comments. I will answer the comments. Thank you very much again, and thank you for